All right, so we are going to do page 23, which has a couple of examples here on graphing using transformations. So I'm going to start with example 1. The first thing I need to do is identify the parent function so I know the general look of the graph, and the parent function here, because there's absolute value signs in it, is absolute value of x. So in order to have the right look for my graph, I'm going to graph that parent function of y equals absolute value of x, and then I'm going to take this function and move it. So graphing using transformations says take the parent function and then do these things to it. So the plus 3 means up 3. The plus 2 in the absolute value, you do the opposite of the plus 2, so you move it left 2. And then the negative out front is going to be your reflection. And since it's outside of the parentheses, or in this case absolute value, we're going to reflect over the x-axis. So we have to do all these 3 changes in our final graph. So I'm going to take this vertex, I'm going to move it up 3. 1, 2, 3. Left 2. And there's our new vertex. My I think I'm going to do an intermediate color. So, if all I had was up 3 and left 2, this would be my graph. Okay, but that's not my only transformations. That's the up 3 and the left 2. I have to reflect it over the x-axis, or in this case that'll be the x-axis got moved up 3, so reflect it so it faces down. So my final graph is going to look like that. Up 3, left 2, reflected.